Remove existing hardware including knob or lever, latch and strike. Check you have a 54mm hole in your door. For added stability for your lock, install the optional crossbolt. Using the template provided, drill the additional 10mm hole from both sides of the door. Slide the spindle hole position to suit 60mm or 70mm backset. Install latch on the door, ensuring the curved latch bolt faces the door jamb. Screw in the latch with the screws provided. If you drill the hole for the crossbolt, securely tighten the post to the external door furniture. Install the external door furniture flush to the door, ensuring the cable goes through the door above the latch. Ensure the spindle is square. Position the inside mounting plate to sit flush to the inside of the door. Ensure the cable and spindle go through the holes in the mounting plate. Secure the plate and external door furniture using the screws provided. Check the external door furniture sits square on the door. If you added the additional post to the external door furniture, secure this post using the additional screw provided. Attach the cable connector to the connector on the internal door furniture and press firmly. Position the internal door furniture to the inside mounting plate and secure using the 4 screws provided. Install the batteries and battery cover. Insert the cylinder into the lever. Using a flathead screwdriver, ensure the turn plate is set vertical. Insert the key into the cylinder. Ensure the key is horizontal. Check lever handling to ensure the lever is pointing towards the hinges. Push the lever onto the lever spigot until it clicks into place. Install the internal lever, ensuring the handle points towards the door hinges. Install the strike plate into the door jamb using the screws provided. You're ready to go keyless.